everybody, and welcome back to GCash. Today we are going to be installing some light strips on a closet. These ones are the GE Cync Direct Connect Smart Light Strip. These are the 32-foot ones. So they also sell 15-foot ones. So let me go ahead and let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, so the owners want, if I can get a good picture here, they want it to go on this part right here to illuminate this back area over here. Up top as well, and then over here, same thing, just over right there, until we plug it in here. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I got some scissors here. Here's what the back of the box looks like. And then the sides, that's a side, and that's a side. So right here, we'll go ahead and here we have a little guide. Here's the light strip plugs. This is what's going to plug into the light strip. So we'll set everything over here. This is the light strip itself. It's also got the controller in there. A little QR code for customer support. Cleaning wipes. And looks like you have some 3M and some screws. I'm not really sure what that's for, but we'll find out. So in here it's simple. We did just go ahead and plug them in. All you're going to do is open this up. It's just a little baggie. And then take the lights out. So this is the control box. As you can see, it's got a little button in case the Wi-Fi goes out. And then this is the strip. It's a bit larger because it's a 32-foot. And now we're going to go ahead and string it around. Okay, so here's the light strip when it is on. Alrighty guys, so we are going to mount our light strips before we mount the box. And like I mentioned, there is a little button right here that you can press. So even if it's not connected to Wi-Fi, you can still control basic functions of the light strips. Alrighty guys, so we have went ahead and ran the light strip. Now we are going to go ahead and connect this 3M sticky tape to this controller box here. So go ahead and connect it. Alrighty, it looks like there's another one, so we'll go ahead and do that. Awesome. And then now we can go ahead and stick it to the wall. Alrighty, so one trick that I like to do is instead of just having all this access wire loose, I like to take the tie that came with it and wrap the cord back up. Alrighty, so there we go. Now we can go ahead and pair it to our app. Okay, so we're going to want to go ahead and go into the GE Cync app. Then we're going to go ahead and click on Add Devices right here. We're going to click on Light Strips. Indoor Light Strip. We're going to go ahead and click on Next. Alrighty. Click Next. Alrighty, so now we're just going to make sure that the lights are on. Alrighty. Once the lights are on, click Next. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alrighty. Alrighty, so now it's going to search for a light strip. Alrighty, it found a device. Let's click Setup. Name it, and click Continue. Now connect to Wi-Fi. Now it's connecting to the network. You may have to enter your password. Device connected. Now you can add it to a room if you like. Alrighty, now it's going to add it to the home screen. Alrighty guys, so if you are having issues, I just had an issue, make sure that you can get a good range between you and the light strips and the strip lights and your Wi-Fi router. So whether that's opening doors, moving boxes, anything like that, just make the signal path clear. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try unplugging the light strips, closing out of the app, and then going back in. That's what I just did. Well. It's locating. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and factory reset the light strip. So what I did was I just pressed and held with the light strip on. I pressed and held the power button to it on the box, and until the light strip flashed. So that means it's been reset. So let's go ahead and try again. Alright, let's try locating. Alrighty, it found the device. Alrighty guys, so right here it says tap the image to make the device blink. If you click on it, the device will start blinking. That's how you know it's connecting to the right device. So this is the one that we want to set up. Select Wi-Fi network. Alright, now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so connected to the Wi-Fi. I went ahead and added it. So now it's going to add it to the home. You can select a room or group now or later. Alrighty, so it has added it to the home. So that's all we're setting up, so we can click on Done. Now it's going to check for updates on any devices you've set up. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is the lights. Going around, and then they plug in right over there. Alrighty, so we have ours paired with a lady, Alexa, in other words. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to control it using Alexa. Alexa, turn off master closet. There you go. Alexa, change master closet to blue. And there you go, it will change the color. Alexa, set master closet to rainbow. And now to do a nice rainbow effect. Alexa, set master closet to white. There you go. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you do have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down in the comments below. Be sure to check out some more videos and like and subscribe. Thank you guys again. And thank you guys again for watching.